In-depth review of LED steering wheel with everything you need to know. Here is the old pre-facelift steering. The new facelift LED steering wheel. I bought the airbag at the same time from the seller. You can see the part number below. All steerings includes a wireless OBD module. The steering is customized with following: facelifted 2015 to 2020 flat bottom steering wheel with Gen 2 LED lighting with 32 LEDs. Stitched in Alcantara with red top strip. Has carbon top and bottom with airbag cover. Has extended paddle shifters in carbon with plus and minus in red. Audi rings in high gloss black. Has a molded grip material. At the time of the purchase it only came with S-Line badge, but now there are different options to choose from. To the installation. Start by disconnecting the battery for your safety. I never recorded the old steering wheel removal, so just for the video I showed the removal on the new steering wheel. Removal is in exactly the same way. Turn the steering 90 degrees and insert a flathead screwdriver. At the back to push the clips, begin with one at a time. After doing the first, turn the steering again and push the second clip. Gently pull the airbag, it will now release. Unplug the cable sockets. Remove the M12 spline bit screw. Untie to the left to unscrew it. Before tightening the M12 screw, you will see a center position mark. Center it with that so the steering is straight. Screw in the M12 spline bit to the right. For me it was a direct plug and play, because I bought the steering with the airbag, so the wiring was already connected. For the display on the steering wheel, it needs plus 12 volt red wire and ground the black wire. Take the power and ground from the airbag connector, or plug the ground to the middle bolt. Best is to use a voltmeter to be sure. Hide the cables and just press the airbag in. To install it back and you will hear a click. Plug in the OBD module and you are ready to go. If the steering doesn't light up, hold the both buttons for 3 seconds. The data signal is transmitted wirelessly from the included box that plugs into the OBD2 port.
Baby, can you pray tonight? Baby, can you pray for? Oh, baby, can you pray? It's every time you make on time. It's only to the end, so pray tonight. So you won't for every run that we had, surround and I knew it. But I've been ready every day, know everything's alright. Baby, can you pray tonight? Baby, can you pray for? Oh, baby, can you pray? It's every time you make on time. It's only to the end, so pray.
You can adjust the brightness from 1 to 4. You can change the upper and lower limits. Has 8 different color styles: fashion, rainbow, Classic, Yellow, Blue, Green, Red, Elegant, Lap timer, where you also can see the previous tests, 0 to 100 kilometers or 0 to 60 mph. Metric or imperial. Temperature can be set to Celsius or Fahrenheit. The steering LED menus are in Chinese and English language. Here you can see the version for the LED unit. Turn on or off the voltage monitoring. 25 different logos. The logos are Welcome, Peugeot, Honda, Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar, AMD, Lamborghini, Chevrolet, GTR, Mustang, ST, Mini Cooper, RS, Volkswagen, R, BMW, M, Mazda, Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, AMG, Porsche, Audi. In so-called style mode, you can choose between colorful or black and white, which will change the steering look. The modes are as following: RPM and kilometer, RPM and engine load, RPM and engine temp, RPM and oil status and engine temp. How everything looks in black and white option. To close the unit, simply hold down both buttons for 3 seconds. It's a huge difference with the LED steering and virtual cockpit installed. To see a full installation video on the virtual cockpit, you can click on the upper right corner or find the video in the description. The LEDs give a rainbow-like needle sweep at startup. Price for the steering in the video with airbag and the cover with shipping and tax included was about 1400 USD, about 1300 British pound or 1400 euros. This steering was bought a year ago, so the price could vary a bit. If interested in this kind of steering, you can contact me on DM and tell me which type of steering you want. I can then hook you up with the seller. Some sellers also give a discount if you return your old steering to them. You can customize the options with wheel shape, leather style, Alcantara, color, top strip, stitching, 32 small LEDs or 16 bigger LEDs, push to start button, drive select button, carbon fiber or gloss finish, middle trim style, paddle shifters, with or without buttons, heated, Audi logo in high gloss black or silver, flat bottom or round. A tip is to buy a steering lock. Let's take it for a drive. A before and after. The next video will be about installing a Carplay with rear camera. Feel free to ask questions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Helps the channel to grow. Thanks for watching and good luck.